So we're going to be making a tray. Our paper came out of the Stamperia Shabby Rose. Shabby Rose, I got this off of Amazon. I went ahead and cut a piece out. I just love the simplicity of this. So y'all, we're just gonna get started. Listen, it's not perfect, but I think I'm gonna come in and trim the inside of that with some pearls to go with our applique. Okay. Okay, y'all, I am going to go ahead and put a coat of this down. I am going to come in here and clean up those edges slightly where that Mod Podge is. Okay, so, y'all, isn't that paper so pretty? This we're going to put right in the center. I'm not going to put the resin directly over it, but kind of around it, y'all, because the pearls in this, I thought would be beautiful to line this with the pearls also. Oh yeah, that's really cute, really cute. I'm going to go ahead and use some of our Fabri-Tac. Perfectly. Look at the pearls. This is one of the appliques, the antique bronze, and it has that 3M strip. I do want to make sure I get it centered. Okay, so look at the applique in the center. So pretty. Let me go ahead and get our handles on. I am going to use E6000. I mean, look. So cute. So cute. Let's just come in with a little bit of rub and buff. You'll see with the gold. I like it. We're going to use some resin. I use art resin. I get mine off of Amazon. And so for the art resin, I usually just eyeball it, but it is 50 to 50 or 1 to 1. Okay, so I'm going to do 15 milliliters of each. So we're just going to sit here and stir it, okay? All right. It's been 3 minutes, y'all. So I'm actually going to just take it and start just like that. I don't... Okay, so that's what it looks like. Y'all see that? So there's all kind of little bubbles in there. So this is the little kitchen heat tool that I use. Okay, so I'm going to leave it alone. Y'all, that's all we did. We took a Dollar Tree. I'm trying to get it. We took a Dollar Tree tray. We covered it in scrapbook paper. We added the pearls, the Totally Dazzled applique, the bows, and we put some resin on it. And I think it looks, you would never know we paid $1 for this tray, right?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.